Obtain cylinder dimension of a twin-cylinder two-stroke IC engine from the following data. Engine speed 4000 rpm. Volumetric efficiency 77%. Mechanical efficiency 75%. Fuel consumption 10 liter per hour. Specific gravity of fuel 0.73. Air-fuel ratio 18. Piston speed 600 meter per minute. IMEP 5 bar. Determine power output at standard temperature pressure condition. Pressure they have given, atmospheric temperature they have mentioned, universal gas constant values they have given. Now in this problem we have to calculate the diameter and stroke length of the piston cylinder arrangement. Also we have to calculate the power output. Now first we know that piston speed is equal to twice ln. Since speed and n are given, L we can easily calculate. But we have to find first diameter. For calculating the diameter, we have the formula stroke volume is equal to pi by 4 d square into L. For volume flow rate, Vs into number of cylinder into number of power stroke per minute. For power stroke, we know that n is equal to n for 2 stroke, and for 4 stroke n is equal to n by 2. We know that volumetric efficiency is equal to actual volume inhaled upon the swept volume. So swept volume is equal to actual volume inhaled upon the volumetric efficiency. In this problem, volumetric efficiency they have mentioned. So we have to initially calculate the actual volume inhaled. For calculating actual volume inhaled, we have the relation PV equal to MRT. So as they have mentioned, the atmospheric temperature TA, atmospheric pressure PA, universal gas constant R, we have to first calculate mass of air, and after calculating the mass of air we can easily calculate the volume of air. Now for calculating mass of air, they have given the air fuel ratio, and we have to calculate mass of fuel consumed. Once you know the mass of fuel consumed, you can substitute the mass of fuel consumed and air fuel ratio, and you can calculate the mass of air. Now first we have to calculate mass of fuel consumed. They have given in liter per hour. So you have to convert this mass of fuel consumed in kg per hour. So we are going to substitute the values in liter per hour into 10 raised to minus 3 in meter cube per hour into specific gravity of fuel they have mentioned into density of water. So we can get mass of fuel consumed is equal to 7.3 kg per hour. Once you know the mass of fuel consumed, you can easily calculate the mass of air. So you got over here mass of air is equal to 131.4 kg per hour. Now you know the mass of air, you know the atmospheric temperature, you know the universal gas constant, also you know the atmospheric pressure. So you are going to substitute all these values in general gas equation, that is PV equal to MRT, and you can calculate the volume. So you got the volume is 110.9 meter cube per hour. Now you know the actual volume inhaled. So after substituting the actual volume inhaled and volumetric efficiency, you got the stroke volume, that is 144 meter cube per hour. Now we have calculated the swept volume. We know that in this problem two cylinder engine they have mentioned. So Vs is equal to pi by 4 d square into L into N into 2 cylinder. Now in this problem we are going to substitute the swept volume in minute basis, that is 144 upon 60, which is equal to pi by 4 d square into 600 upon twice n into 2. So we got the value of diameter d is equal to 0.0714 in meters. So after converting this value in mm, we got diameter is equal to 71.4 mm. Now we can calculate L is equal to 600 upon 2 into 4000. So we got the stroke length, that is 0.075 meter, which is 75 mm. So hence we can calculate the diameter 71.4 mm and the stroke length 75 mm. Now the remaining part is remaining part in this problem is to determine the power output. So you have to calculate the power output with the help of mean effective pressure. You have the formula power output is equal to mean effective pressure into L into A into N upon 60,000. So in this formula, once you substitute all the values, you can easily get the power output. So this is the today's lecture. Thank you.